Hi planner friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cindy and you're watching Little Star Plans. Today's video will dedicate to this super cute A6 weekly supplement. I'll do a quick walkthrough and show you in depth what this handy dandy supplement spreads will look like inside. Next, I'll also compare this supplement to my current everyday carry A6 planner. Hopefully this in-depth video will help you out to decide if you should get the weekly supplement or just the standalone A6. I received my Hobonichi order last week. If you haven't seen my unboxing haul, feel free to check my video. The link will be listed in the description box. So let's take a look at the supplement. This is the weekly supplement. From the palm of my hand, you can see how small the weekly notebook is. Later on in the video, I'll compare what it looks like in the weekly and also my A6 daily pages. So stay tuned to till the end. Look at the inside. This is a gray page, and the very first page you will see is 2022. This is a yearly overview of all the months in one page. Next page is when it starts straight to the first week. You can still start this at the end of December 27th, but yeah, so this will look like on the left hand side. It has the tip of the sidebar, which is very small, I would say, but if you just have small stuff to track, this might be good for you. But if you have a specific task that you need to list in specific timeline, this might not work because the spacing is extremely small that it may not fit everything. If it's just like a small chunks of your day that you need to block out, this will be ideally for it. So I can see each day has its own section for what I'm gonna use it for. I think it's plenty of space for me. Let me grab a ruler and give you an idea how small the spacing. Okay, I am using a very old ruler. It'll give you kind of an idea how that works. Excuse my scratch up ruler. So I'm gonna use the inches. You can see it's less than 1 inch, so about 75 is your width. But you do get some spaces at the bottom of the page, and you could write a line down for each section. I have seen people use this for budgeting. I have seen others use it for meal planning, and I have seen others use it for time block. I am personally going to use it as a memory keeping, just a few highlights of the day or quick journaling in each spread. So this is what it looks like, and it continue on. Each week you will get these new spread, but you can see that some of the days will have the box will be colored in red. I think it could be also represent for holidays or Sunday. So it's just January. And one more thing to note is that if you take a look at bottom left, there is a mini calendar that you can use. This can be useful for tracking which day is coming up. So you can mark them using a color marker and dot it for the days events are coming up. Another thing to note is that these check boxes, the spacing again is less than 1 inch, so there isn't a lot of space. If you write one word, it'll be pretty much fill up the whole space. And again, this supplement is meant to be used additional with your A6 planner. Work very well because this planner or this supplement notebook is very thin that you can tuck it behind your planner. As you can see, all the pages are exactly the same. Another thing to note is that it does not come with a monthly pages. In the beginning, I show you the yearly page overview, but right after that page, it goes straight to the weekly pages. If monthly pages are important to you, this supplement might not work for you. And when we reach the end, it doesn't come with a lot of note pages. If you're someone that needs to take extra notes, this might not work out for you. It does come with 3 pages. Oh, 2 pages. See, 2 extra pages. And this is your grid pages. And that's about it. And then it comes with this cardboard cover. Take a look how this will be complement with our A6 planner. This is my A6. I've been using it for half a year now. I'm gonna show you how I use it. Here is some of the spreads I've shown in the past, and it worked really well for me. I do time blocked on the left hand side. I add few highlight things on the left or sometimes occasionally on the right. Sometimes I write random notes at the bottom, so it's totally up to you. But most important thing that's important to me is the checkbox at the top. It comes with 5 boxes here that I can write the top 5 things or 3 things that are priority or things I need to do for that day. So let's compare it to the weekly and the A6. So as you can see, my planner it's expanding. How would this will play in place with my current system? I think it'll work really well. This planner cover is from Hobonichi and I love it a lot. It's like the cat theme. I forgot exactly the name of it, but it's by the Candy Stripper. And so this weekly supplement, it's meant to be tucked in the back. So you can see here, just like that, and it fits perfectly in your cover. And when you close it up, yeah, same as usual, but it does not bulk too much to your planner. So you can take a look at the comparison. There is a lot more space in the daily pages compared to weekly, of course, because in the A6, there isn't a lot of space that you can write in the supplement. So this is what it looks like. You can see that the A6 is slightly taller than the supplement itself. So it's missing, I think maybe 1 inch on the top and then a little bit on the side. So it is a smaller, nope, this is just meant to be able to fit perfectly in the back. Yeah, so it really depends on what you're planning on using it for. This might work for you, but if you're someone that needs a lot of spacing, and this might not work for you. Let's take a look at the empty pages and see how that look like. This is a blank page. And if I put it on top, and I were to put it on top, you see on the side, and the top is missing. But the grids are exactly the same as the A6 daily pages. But you get more or less space, but this is a very compact and fits very nicely in your back of your planner if you already have a planner like Hobonichi cover. This supplement will work very well if you're someone that needs to quickly jot down a few things in a weekly view, yet you have a daily pages. You already jot down all your tasks, all your appointments, all your notes, but you just want to see the overview weekly spread. This might be perfect for you. If you're someone that needs to write a lot in a weekly view or very specific to time block and writing tasks for time block, this may or may not work for you. As you can see, there isn't a lot of space in the timeline here. So I think that's about it. I hope this video kind of helped you out. Let me know if you have any question. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more planning related video. I'll see you next time. Bye, planning friends.